My question is this. We leased a car the other day. I'm in West Bloomfield. We leased a car the other day, fairly big dealership.
Yeah.
And at closing, they said we had to sign a arbitration agreement.
Yeah.
And I first declined, and
Good.
then they said, well, the deal's off.
Okay.
And so we reluctantly signed. And then that got me to thinking. I had minor surgery just a while back, and I also had to sign an arbitration agreement.
Yeah.
I don't think it's legal. I don't think it's right to sign away your right to pursue legal suit if there's a screw-up. What do you think about that?
I agree. I wouldn't sign it either. And what we're seeing is some of these dealerships, they're giving people like $100 discount to sign this thing where it basically waives all of your right to sue them, which the lemon law is one of the best tools you have for a car that goes bad because they pay my attorney fees. It doesn't cost you anything. So you're giving up that right. And then we have to go through this arbitration that's, in my opinion, not as good as the lemon law and not going to get you the result that a court is. The arbitration, the best I've ever seen come out of it is another repair attempt, which you're already entitled to anyway.
But how can they deny the sale because you refuse to sign?
They don't have to sell you anything. Go to a different dealership.
Very well.
They don't. It's only, unfortunately, don't mention the name of the dealership, but I think I know who you're talking about, and they're doing this, and you just got to go somewhere else. And some of the things about the arbitration are okay, but there's one specific document that they're wanting people to sign. They're giving you a little discount, and it's forcing you into this arbitration, which it isn't great. And if you do end up having an issue with it and the car doesn't work properly, we'll file a suit and we'll fight the arbitration clause to say it was non-binding. So that's what we've been doing lately. But it's definitely your gut feeling was the right feeling not to sign that.
That's fine for an auto sale, but what about when you go in for some type of surgical procedure and they want arbitration there? Can they deny you the service?
Yeah, they can. A lot of times the medical ones are a little more protected. They're not necessarily an arbitration generally, but you want to always read whatever you sign, and if you're not comfortable signing it, go somewhere else.
Yeah, I understand.
Okay.
Well, thank you very much.
All right, thanks, Mike.